Today's painting is going to be all about changing and redoing a cloud painting on a mini circle canvas that just didn't quite work out. I'm sure we've all been there. We've all had those moments where we start a project and it just doesn't turn out the way we wanted it to. But the beauty of art is that anything can be repainted, reworked, and transformed into something even more beautiful than before. So let's get started. I've got my mini canvas, some acrylic paints, and some brushes. First, I'm going to take a look at the original cloud painting that I just didn't like. And as you can see, the colors are a bit off, the clouds don't look quite right, but that's okay, we're going to fix it. The first thing I'm going to do is paint over the existing clouds with a fresh background. I'm just going straight on with the background with a blue and a yellow and a little bit of red, and I'm going to blend that out to start anew. I'm blending it out softly and I'm mixing it up, and it's really going to turn out well. I'm using a dry brush to go over it to create a soft blended feel and a realistic soft texture. As I'm working on this new cloud painting, I'm realizing that I'm enjoying it a lot more than I did the original one. Sometimes starting over can be a good thing. It gives us a chance to learn from our mistakes and try something new. And who knows? Maybe this new cloud painting will turn out even better than the original one I had in mind. Now I'm going to add the finishing touches to this painting. Little bit of clouds. I'm keeping the clouds simple. I'm using my paint a little bit watered down to keep the clouds translucent. This is going to make it really pop and also just keep them soft. Now that it's transformed, I'm really happy with the result. So what's the point of all of this? The point is that anything can be repainted. It's easy to get discouraged when something doesn't turn out the way we want it to. But that doesn't mean we should give up. With a little bit of creativity, patience, and willingness to start fresh, we can turn any project into something beautiful. I hope you enjoyed watching me transform this mini canvas, and I encourage you to take a look at any old paintings or projects you have lying around that you don't like. Who knows, maybe with a little bit of work, they could turn into something amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.